Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Teams desktop app now. You need the full client, not the browser. Once signed in, check settings right arrow notifications and set the notification type to banner or feed so sounds will play. Make sure Teams is running in the background because Windows routes the sound. You can't change a Teams-specific file. Next, close music or VoIP apps that might grab audio. This prevents false testing results. Once done, you'll move to Windows Sound Controls to change the actual alert tone. Open Windows Settings and go to System right arrow Sound, then click More Sound Settings to launch the Control Panel Sounds dialog. In the Sounds tab, scroll to Program Events and find Notifications or the notification. Default entry, that is what Teams uses for its alert sound. Click Browse, choose a short WAV file, then test the sound to confirm it plays. Make sure the file is under 30 seconds and uncompressed WAV for reliability. Once satisfied, apply the change and close the dialog. After applying the new sound, restart Teams so it reads the updated Windows setting. You can sign out and sign back in if needed. If you still hear the old tone, check the volume mixer, ensure system notifications are not muted, and confirm Teams notification type is banner or feed. If problems persist, reboot Windows that clears audio caches. Finally, verify the WAV is uncompressed PCM and that you have permission to access the file. Corrupted or protected files won't play.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.